Jain with us today, our alumnus of 2018 batch. We are very happy and delighted to have a conversation with you, Yash, today. Let us
Thank
all
you.
welcome Yash by giving a school clap. I would now request our beloved principal ma'am to address the attendees.
Cheryl ma'am, principal ma'am is not here.
Okay, Smita ma'am,
Yes, namaste everyone,
namaste
and
ma'am.
namaste. All the best, Cheryl ma'am, and
Thank you
welcome.
ma'am.
Yeah, it's nice to see you after a long, long time. I hope you're
Thank you,
keeping
ma'am.
well. Namaste, Bhanu
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am. Bhanu ma'am is there. Your mom is there, Yash?
Yes, ma'am. She is there, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second.
It's okay, fine. We'll continue later. I'll talk to her. But
Morning.
nice to see her also.
Yeah, namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, namaste, Bhanu ma'am. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
Good, good. Thank you. Okay, so let's get ahead with the talk. Let's not delay it. Welcome everyone once again.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you. Ma'am, I request your permission to begin this interview.
Yes, please, Cheryl ma'am, go ahead.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you. Let us begin this wonderful interview on Back to Roots. So let me introduce our star guest for the day, Yashvardhan Jain. A very humble, soft-spoken, compassionate, and a hardworking boy. Your active participation in all activities, especially in the field of sports, was truly commendable, Yash. You were the school sports captain in the academic year 2017-18. You have set a very good example for your juniors. You were excellent in sports throughout your school days. You have won many awards, including gold, silver, bronze in various skating championships at a national and international level. You have made a mark in so many records. I can name them, and the list is India Book of Records, Asia Book of Records, Indian Young Achiever Book of Records, Best of India Records, Global Records, Asia Pacific Records, National Records, Children Records at Shivaganga Roller Skating Club, Belgaum, Karnataka. We are so proud of you, Yash, you and your achievements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Amit sir, can we have a small video and see Yash's journey with RRIS? Amit sir?
Yes, ma'am, he is playing.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
So, Yash, would you like to share your views about the video? How did you
Ma'am,
feel
the video
watching this?
just reminded me of my school times, ma'am. Like from the starting, like when I was in sixth standard, seventh standard, eighth standard. Then
Okay.
even my sports day journey in the year 2016 and 17. So
Mm-hmm.
like I'm feeling very happy. Like I did something. So yes.
Wow.
So
Yes, you're a great achiever and you have done a lot.
thank you.
Okay. I request Vice Principal Ma'am to speak a few words about the video.
The video was really excellent. And Namaste, ma'am. The principal ma'am is here, so I would request principal ma'am
Sure.
to please share her views and address the gathering.
Sure. Namaste, Principal Ma'am. I request
Namaste,
you to
sir.
speak a few words about the video. That's the glimpses which we have just shown to Yash Ma'am.
So I think Yash is the right person to speak about the video and seeing himself in those pictures. Namaste and welcome to Yash.
Namaste, ma'am. How are you,
How are you
ma'am?
doing? I'm good. I'm good. I just got a little delayed in work to join you on time, but I'm very,
Uh,
very excited and glad to have you. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling very obliged, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Wow, you have grown up to be a very smart, intelligent, and handsome boy.
Thank you so much.
No, these pictures brought back the memories of you
Yes,
being
ma'am.
an excellent leader and very passionate sports person. Very passionate. And for the positions that we had chosen you, you proved that you were the right person to handle those responsibilities.
Thank you
So
so much.
I'll let Cheryl continue with the talk show.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. So,
Thank you.
Yash, how do you feel to be a part of this program today?
Ma'am, like I'm fine. Like I'm obliged. Like finally today is my day. So today I'll get the chance to be a guest today. So I'm very excited.
Oh, okay, nice. That's good. That's good to
Yes,
hear.
ma'am.
So, few questions for you, Yash.
Yes, ma'am.
Which field have you chosen now?
Ma'am, like I have chosen my medical field and I have applied in universities of abroad colleges which are situated in Central Asia. But sadly, ma'am, due to this corona pandemic, the colleges in which I have applied did not discuss about the on-campus classes or the offline classes. So because of that, my admission is still under process. So
Okay.
mostly by the next month, I'll get the confirmation.
We are definitely praying for you. You will
Yes,
get a
ma'am.
confirmation.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
always you're always remembered in our prayers. And stay positive. Things will work out. I know this pandemic has affected a lot of students and a lot of people in terms of in many terms. But do not give up hope. We definitely will keep you in prayers. All right. All the best. Okay. What are your future plans? What efforts you are taking to fulfill them?
Ma'am,
In,
if I talk about my future, like my long term, like I want to be a physiatrist. Like it is a
okay.
specialty in the general medicine.
Okay.
And right now, if I talk about my efforts, like as I said, like my admission is still under process, so I just brush up my basics, and then I just research on the clinical cases which I have to may do in the future. So as my medical field is also very vast, so I just get stuck to my first year subjects only. So yes, I do bit of reading and gathering the knowledge so that it helps me.
So you're already working on your field. You've already taken the step of researching, of learning, and reading a lot of related your field related information. So
Yes,
that is
ma'am.
that is very good. Keep that up. Keep that spirit. Okay. Your next question. We would like to hear about your journey after you left the school.
Ma'am,
So
after I left the school,
yes,
okay.
after you left the school, what was your journey?
I'm like after I left the school, I just continued my normal Maharashtra State Board, like completing my 11th and 12th in an
Okay.
integrated coaching center where I prepare for the entrance exam as well and my boards exam as well. And like after school, I just went for skating once and just created records in like nearly 8 book of records, like Asia Book of Records and all.
Oh,
And from that
wow.
time, yes,
That's
ma'am.
fantastic. So you're utilizing the time,
Yes,
right?
ma'am. And then after that, like there was a complete break on my skating. Like for
Oh,
so till now, I did not try again because like
okay.
burden of the studies and like need to perform well in the test. So that's it.
Okay.
This is now the
Okay.
entire 2 years
But
life.
yes, keep your activities on along with your, your studies,
Yes,
because
ma'am.
that's what you're passionate about. So do not give up on your passion also. Also, you have to balance that. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So next question to you: what are the activities, co-curricular activities, and the achievements you remember from the school time? Do you still cherish those memories?
Yes, ma'am. Whatever we did during our school time, ma'am, I remember like it was the very best experience for me. And the activities which I say, like we did many, like we used to we used to go to the slums and donate the essential items to the needy ones. Like we did voluntary work also. And
Mm-hmm.
even few years back, around like 3 to 4 years back, we had one cancer control mission. Like we had to
Yes.
collect
Yes.
the amount for the patients of cancer so that we can donate. So even I took that part also. And also, if
Okay.
I remember about the activities, like every day in the like afternoon assembly time, we used to have
Lot
like
of
English time
activities.
for us, like word
Yes.
of the day. So it was indirectly beneficial to all the students. So I have liked that so much. And if I say about the co-curricular lecture activities, so my favorite lectures were dance and PDIP lectures. Like
Oh, wow.
I wouldn't like to miss that anytime.
Okay.
And
Good. That's
yes,
nice to hear you remember so many things which you have done in school. And I'm sure you must be now saying that school days were one of the best days of my life.
yes, ma'am, it was.
Yes. Okay. So let's move on to the next question. If you can share your experience as a sports captain in the school, what was your experience like?
Being a sports captain, first of all, I was very grateful. Like finally, I got an opportunity to like be a responsible person of the school, like who can
True.
handle all the sport, like who can handle the entire sports of the school. Then
Hmm.
even like if I say like we did so many pre-sports day planning, like I used to always be in the IT lab only, like writing the names of the students who have done the achievements, like whatever achievements our students have brought, then writing the
True.
torch bearers list, like then
Right.
organizing everything. Then I still remember Nishita ma'am helped me a lot in that, like whether it's a PowerPoint presentation regarding the school, and Dilip sir also helped me like while presenting in the assembly hall. That's it. And
Okay.
even it broke my potential also. Like I can do more better day by day. Like I'm improving myself, and it was like more like challenging also. Like you have your 10th and a duty also. So like if I
Mhm.
am able to do both the things, then yes, I'm improving myself. So
You
yes, it
have
was a
definitely
very
improved yourself.
yes,
We look
so it
at
was
you and at Yash in school days and Yash now. I mean, it's so amazing to just see you grown as such a good human being, a fantastic, confident Yash that we are seeing today.
thank you so much.
Okay, let's go on with the next question. What do
Yes,
you
ma'am.
consider are the strengths of Ramratna International School? Can you name a
Strength so
few?
far, yes,
Yeah,
yes, ma'am. There are. And first of
tell.
all, our school gives a platform to the students who wants to express themselves.
Very true.
Like our school is very open-minded. Like
Hmm.
whether it's a very small thing or a big thing, like a school will always allow us to showcase what we have. Then
True.
also, if I say like our school has a very good mentors. Like personally, I have also many mentors like from the childhood, like the teachers which I have been with. Like example, my teachers from 6th grade to 10th grade, my class teachers like Dinashri ma'am, Musha ma'am, Asha
Mhm.
ma'am, Smita ma'am, Ashok sir. Then every teacher who just guided me every time, like I am very honorable to them. Like thank you so much. Like your guidance works. Like so that
Okay, nice. That's nice. Yes, speak, speak, speak.
so definitely our school is the best, no
Wow,
doubt.
that's so nice to hear from one of our ex-students. Thank you so much, Yash. Okay, now one more question.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
parents play a biggest role in shaping our lives. What life lessons have your parents given you? What have you learned from your parents?
Ma'am, if I say about my parents, ma'am, I take them as my role models.
Wow.
Ma'am, first
That's
of
so
all, my
nice.
parents have taught me that you should never look back in the past. Like if you crib about it or have regrets, then you won't move ahead in life. So
Right.
they just want me to move forward and never look back at the past. And if I made some mistakes in the past, like I should correct them and not repeat those mistakes again. So yes,
True.
and even my parents say that whatever you think, you become that. Means the mentality is the key to success. Like
Very
if
true.
I give an example, like if you're determined to complete your work in a day, then
Hmm.
if you put your 100%, like no one can
Stop
ever
you.
stop you
True.
from doing that. So
Very
yes,
true.
my
Wow.
parents.
Such a beautiful lesson your parents have taught you. And
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
so nice to hear that you're taking the advice of your parents, you're correcting yourself, you're going ahead in life with their teachings and values that they have taught you. That's so
Yes.
nice, Yash. Okay, let's now have a icebreaker. Now, I think we had a lot of questions which I asked you. An icebreaker. As we all know that RRIS has completed a decade. Let us have an icebreaker, a decade of RRIS for our star guest Yash and you, my dear audience. So the question is, Yash, now listen, I would like each person to write a newspaper or a magazine headline for a decade of RRIS. So yes, your question you can think and answer, and the audience will
Mhm.
mention the answer in the chat box.
Okay, let me think.
So you want me to repeat the question again, Yash?
No, ma'am, I
You
understood the
got it.
question, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes, yes.
Okay.
RRIS completes the commitment of quality over quantity.
Wow. So that's one of the catchy headlines you have given. And can you explain to us why did you make this headline for school?
Ma'am, because since I was in the school, like I have always seen the quality, ma'am. There were no, like we did not do things which were like, chalo, okay, we'll do this for doing purpose only. Like everything which we did was relating to us only for a betterment of us. Then we learned many things. So, ma'am, so this tagline perfectly works. Like RRS completes a decade of commitment to quality over quantity.
Wow, thank you so much. Thank you. I just few answers in the chat box, Yash. So participants have okay, they have said amazing, and we don't have any answers. Okay, we have Principal Man saying, appreciating your thoughts. We have Sheila Man saying, unfolding the story of 10 years of excellence in education. So, in short, thank you so much. Thank you, participants. Um, I think we answered questions, and now let's go on with some more questions. Okay. Uh, what
Yes, ma'am.
learnings from school do you think have helped you to sail smoothly through the challenges of the outside world? What do you think? The
Yes,
learnings
Cheryl,
from
learnings.
school? Yes, ma'am.
Cheryl, I think your voice is breaking. I don't know if it is because of the network fluctuation at my end or your end. Are others able to listen very
Maybe my
clearly to
end,
Cheryl?
ma'am.
Okay. So is there a spot where you can get a
Hello?
better
Am I
network,
audible?
Cheryl?
Sure, ma'am. I'll try.
You know,
I'll try. I'll try outside.
it would be good if
Just
some
give me a second.
participants
I'll
let
try.
me know
Yes,
if
ma'am.
they are able to hear her clearly. Is it a problem at my end? Yeah, Cheryl, I think
Um,
it's at your end. Maya also said it's
Okay,
not
ma'am.
audible.
I'm out of the cabin.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
yes, yes.
Oh,
Ma'am, am I audible now? Am I better? Okay. So,
I think it's
Yash,
better.
your question. Uh,
yes,
yes, Yash. You're ready with the answer? Should I repeat the question again?
ma'am, would you please repeat?
Sure. Sure. What learnings from school do you think have helped you to
Hmm.
sail smoothly through the
Hmm.
challenges of the outside world?
Okay. Ma'am, the learnings which I talk about is like, yes, definitely the school has given me an extra edge over my peers or the children which I had. First of
Mm-hmm.
all, school gave me self-confidence so that I can speak without any fear and all. Then even my school taught me that I cannot underestimate myself. Like I am capable of many
Mm-hmm.
things. So yes, like I should not doubt myself any time. And where this school has also taught me that if you are starting a work, you should complete it 100%. Like you should not leave
Mm-hmm.
in between. Whatever the result may be, like you should do it. Like you should complete. And also the school has taught me patience very well. So yes, uh,
Okay, so that, yes, yes. So you've learned so many learnings from school, and we are proud of you that you value what you have learned in school and all the all the areas where you have taken it positively, groomed yourself, uh, come up with a lot of opportunities, and you have grabbed the opportunities which you got on your plate. So we are so happy for that.
um,
Okay. Now, next question. Are you in touch with your school friends? Which memories do you remember fondly?
if I say about my friends, like we are not much in touch, but yes,
Okay.
we do sometimes calls. We do make a call on our birthdays, or like we never forget our birthdays. So yes, we do
Right.
make a call that day. And if I say
Okay.
about the memories, like I had many, like mostly of teasings and the jokes we cracked whenever we had free time, and
So you
mostly
miss those.
the yes,
You
ma'am, the
miss
mostly the
those.
rehearsal.
True.
Yes, ma'am. Mostly the
Hmm.
rehearsal times, like we used to do in annual day in the AV room. So yes, we enjoyed a lot during that time.
Very true, very true.
Very,
Those are the
yes,
fond memories of your school, Yash, and you will always cherish them. And
yes, ma'am.
I'm still saying I still miss my school. I still miss my teachers. I am connected with them. No doubt we are so far, sitting across states and sitting across across the globe. But we do miss our teachers. We do miss our friends. We do miss, and those memories will always be cherished.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
that's a well said reply. Now, let me ask you, how was the outside world different from school?
Outside world.
Yes.
Now, ma'am, if I compare school life with outside world, no, ma'am, there is a huge difference. Like,
Okay. I mean, in terms of,
ma'am, in terms of behavior or
okay.
whatever external aspect you can just uh, imagine that. Like I
Hmm.
still remember, ma'am, it was our board's end time, and Smita ma'am was guiding us something. So
Hmm.
she said us like, what out of the years you spent in the school, that was the only time you were in a shell, like you were protected from everyone. Like whenever
True.
you will face the outside world
Outside
now,
world.
that time you will get to like what actually life is. And
Right.
that is the only that means like that is the statement I still remember, and I'm thinking like yes, ma'am was correct. She was definitely correct.
Right. So when your teachers in school guide you and try to put you, I mean, you are in the next shell, and when you come out of the eggshell, when you see the reality outside in the outside world, you feel that it's so much different, and you need to learn so much. You need to groom yourself to deal with the challenges of the personal
Yes,
of
ma'am.
the outside world. So
Ma'am,
well said, Yash.
yes, ma'am.
Now, one more question. What is your message for your juniors? What do you
For my
say?
juniors,
Yes.
yes,
What
ma'am.
is the message to your juniors you would
Message.
like to give?
Like the foremost and the first message that like I want to give to them, like if you want to speak with your parents or teachers, like whatever
Hmm.
problems you are facing in your life, just go and give a shot. Like they'll be the best guidance you'll ever get in your life.
Okay.
Then
Okay.
also, if I say like study properly, like whatever you teach in the school, at last, it is just very beneficial for you. And but
Hmm.
not only always studying, like play sports also. Like it will be a
True.
balance.
True.
Then like in any point of life, if you think that you are just not able, like you won't be able to do anything, so please stop that thinking. Like you are capable of many things. So yes, you should not demotivate yourself or think like that. Like I cannot do this stuff. So yes, you have a very long way to go, and you can definitely do it.
Very
So
true.
that's it. Hustle hard.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Nice. Very good message for your juniors. Now,
Yes.
I want you to remember one of your best memories of the school days. Do you remember any one memory that you think it was the best memory of my school day?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, there is not one. There are many,
There's
ma'am.
so many, true.
Yes.
But I'm asking you for the best one.
The
Anyone?
best one, if I talk about, like mostly being like when I became the sports captain, ma'am, like after trying for
Hmm.
3 years non-stop in the counseling team, like applying,
Wow.
then getting the votes also. So like that was
Okay.
the day my dream came true. So yes, it was
Okay.
a very good achievement. Like from the starting, I did not become any captain. like from post standard, like
Hmm.
the school just started, I just joined at that time only. So till date, till my ninth standard, I did not become. So yes, I was trying my very best to prove myself, and at last I just proved. So yes, I take
Wow.
that achievement as a very good thing.
Yes, so that is one of your best memories that you became the school sports captain after uh, many years of trying and giving your best. So this is how we learn. We should never give up. This is how we learn never to give up, and we take life in a very positive way. We learn from our failures. So I think you've learned the best lessons and you have the best memory that you achieved. You tried and tried and tried and you succeeded, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you, Yash. Now, one more question. Did you ever have a chance to have breakfast with Principal Ma'am? And
Yes,
how was your experience?
definitely I had a chance. Like I and my two, three classmates were together. Like we are called according to our roll numbers, na? So yes,
Yes, yes.
we were a part of the breakfast with our principal ma'am. So mostly we discussed about the betterment, like how much better we can do in academics and
Oh.
discipline. So mostly ma'am and we three or four students, like we just discussed on that point. And also that year we were giving our board examinations. So
Mm-hmm.
yes, ma'am asked about like how are you, like how is the progress in studies, and that
Mm-hmm.
much only. And it was, and if I talk about the experience, like it was very good. Like out of the 365, 360 days, you are getting a chance to talk with ma'am so comfortably. Like uh, in spite of a busy schedule, she just removes her morning time for us.
Time.
So
Yes, true. True, true.
it's a very good
So
thing.
it was a wonderful experience
Yes,
for
ma'am,
you.
it was
Okay. Now, something funny that you can recollect and share with us. Do you remember
something
something?
funny.
Yes.
No, actually, there were many funny things, but if I say about one thing, no, like it was my personal favorite. Like
Okay.
we had our night gazing, like star night gazing camp. We like it
Oh,
was the
yeah, the
first star
camp.
gazing.
Yes,
So,
yes.
ma'am, if I say like we completed a day, we had a
Hmm.
lunch, and it was like around 12 a.m. to 1 a.m., I guess. Yes.
Okay,
So we were
okay.
in a room, like everyone was just making a chaos and all. So yes, Swapnil sir came in between and took all the torches. Like the children were doing uh, mischief with the torches, na? Like
Okay,
and even sir, like that time, I guess Arun sir was with us. Yes, so he
okay.
was also getting irritated, like why the children are sleeping and all and all. So yes,
Mm-hmm.
like then Swapnil sir came, then it was around 2 to 3 a.m. Like now I'm hungry. Now what should I do? If I open and start eating my chips packet, then like when I eat the chips, it will make noise and it will
Hmm.
again seek attention of everyone. Then I
Okay.
don't know what should I do? What should I do? What should I do? And like beside me, like a few like by a small distance, like Ronak was beside me. So he
Okay.
suggested me like take the bed sheet, then just go inside and start the torch and start eating. Like no one will notice you. Chill. You can take
Okay.
your own time. So yes, even I
So
was
this
hungry,
is
so I didn't have any option. So I just did.
okay.
Now I
Okay.
don't know like what happened during that time. Like when I just started eating and just it was like around 2 minutes only, or sorry, not 2 minutes, like it was around 5 minutes. Like I was about to complete my packet. Swapnil sir comes and grab my bed sheet. Like first of all, I
So
was without sleep, so I don't know what to do. Then in one hand I was holding the torch and one hand chips, and like full class is watching me like this. Like there was a hype created. Like what crime did I do? So yes, it
you
was a
remember
very
this
good.
as one of the funniest
Yes,
moments
ma'am.
that
Like
you.
the entire scene which was created, like it is still there in my mind.
Okay, so
Yes,
that's
yes, yes.
nice. This definitely what you shared with us was one of the funniest moments,
Yes,
and
ma'am.
I'm sure you will never forget this because this was one of your school experience.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we have, let's move on to the next question. What
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
one thing about your school that you miss the most? What do you miss?
Like I miss the most. Ma'am,
Hmm.
actually there are two, three things, ma'am. Like
Okay.
first of all, the teachers and the Didi
Yes.
Valyas, ma'am. Like
Wow.
as I have been a part since 6 years of a school, like so a different bond has been made between us. Like all
True.
the bhaiyas, like Dinesh Bhaiya and Godfrey Bhaiya, like and also the
Hmm.
teachers. So yes, like like it was a very good bond, and I still remember the time, like it was a board's time, and I still remember that Champa ma'am taught me, like she revised the entire organic chemistry for me. Like
Wow.
mostly our third prelim was going on, yes. So I still
Mm-hmm.
remember that time, like that initiative of ma'am helped me a lot. So yes, it was
Wow.
a. And secondly, if I choose a second point, like what is the second thing, then definitely the environment of a school, ma'am. Like it is the
True.
best. It is like that environment enhances our school very much, ma'am. So
Very
like
true.
till now I did not see any environment like that.
Hmm.
So yes,
Because you're moving
definitely.
out in the outside world and you know how it is out and how it was in school. So you can compare, you can see, and you have been in the environment. So that's why you're saying that, you miss that the most about the school.
And six
Very
years is a
true.
very long time. So yes,
Yes,
you
it's a very long journey.
definitely get
Yes,
attached to the nature around you. Like
true, true.
yes,
Okay. Now, if you were given a chance and you have to come back to school for a day, would you like to come back?
definitely I would love to. Like I
So
just need a
sweet.
chance to come.
So true.
Yes, I
So
definitely.
you can come in definitely. You can
Yes, yes,
connect
yes.
with Smita ma'am and principal ma'am, and also visit the school. Now, one more question: how can alumni contribute to the school? What do you think? In what way the alumni can
Alumni.
contribute?
Like
Yes.
if I say about how it can be contributed, yes.
Mm-hmm.
So, ma'am, like if the alumni can share the ideas which can be implemented, and if it like after implementing it makes a change, then that
Mm-hmm.
suggestion is very good thing. Like if I go through our alumni group, like everyone starts a new initiative. Like I
True.
remember the initiative taken by Yashvi also, that making best out of waste. So
Hmm.
yes, that was a good thing. Like, and even like external thing, like even I saw about that MUN thing, like MUN. So yes,
MUN. Yes.
even like bringing all the things together and then
Hmm.
applying, like which is beneficial for our juniors and their life. So yes, we can contribute in that way.
Okay, so that's good. You have some way of contributing to the school's alumni, through being the alumni of the school, and very good thought process that you are thinking. You should contribute, and what we learn in school, we should always give back to our school. So this is a very good, suggestion you are also giving, and I'm sure that you will contribute in some way
Yes,
as an
ma'am.
alumni to the school with some support and some initiatives that you will take up. All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
One more question. That's the last one. So, what can school do to keep the connection strong with the alumni? What do you think? In what way we can?
Song for alumni. Okay.
Yes.
Like if I say, ma'am, as I'm a like I was a sports person, so yes, if our
Hmm.
school just takes an initiative to have an alumni sports session, like where we get the chance to again play in teams or that, so that would be very beneficial for us. Then I guess everyone will definitely come and join that. And
Basically,
also like
you are speaking about creating an alumni team
yes,
in sports. Huh.
our school should organize events in which we can take part. If
Okay.
and definitely I think alumni will join us for sports. Definitely, even my classmates are going to join. Like if we get a chance to play football. So
Oh,
yes,
wow.
even after making teams and we can play again. And one more thing, I guess we may have our alumnus session like a get together. So I'm still waiting for that day. I hope it
Mhm.
comes soon.
Sure, sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so all said and done, we are through all the questions. You have confidently answered all the questions, and I'm so happy to see you grown up, such a confident individual, Yash. And I'm sure your parents are also proud of you. I would like our teachers to speak about Yash. So we have our teachers who would like to speak about Yash.
Namaste, ma'am.
Namaste, Cheryl ma'am.
Namaste.
Ashok sir, you may continue. I'll talk after you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Namaste, principal, ma'am. Namaste, vice principal, ma'am. Namaste, Yash.
Namaste, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm also fine. And after so many years, I have seen you. I have met your classmates also, but I never got an opportunity again to meet you. And it's nice
Yes,
to
sir.
see you
Same.
again. And I want to tell you one thing. Yes, there are many students that I have seen. They have one talent. I have seen that you are talented. You are equally talented in sports, academics, whether I talk about dance, acting, or taking initiative to represent your class. That I have seen in you. And keep
Thank you
this
so much, sir.
real enthusiasm with you. And I'm very much sure you will achieve something great in your life. This much I want to
Thank you
tell
so
you.
much, sir.
Welcome.
Sir, even I would like to say that because of you only, like my maths was very good. I use in my eighth standard, like seventh standard, I was not scoring very nice, or I did not like my maths was not so good. But from the time you came in my life, na sir, my maths was extremely good, ma'am, sir. So it was a very thank you so much, sir, for that.
Welcome. Welcome.
Yes.
Namaste, Yash.
Namaste, ma'am.
Uh, Really very proud of you, Yash, the way you are doing in your life. And
Thank you.
also, I would like to say that we have always been very proud of you because you have really handled yourself in the school with lot of elegance. You have always been calm and very composed, irrespective of what people around you must have thought about you or the way they behaved with you. No, nothing impacted you, nothing impacted your zeal or enthusiasm.
Yes.
Whatever be the people around you thinking about you or doing, but you have always been very positive, very enthusiastic, eager to be a part of each and every activity which the school has taken up without letting your morale getting affected in any way. So that's the best quality of yours, the true spirit which you carry in you, lot of positivity. So keep up that spirit and positivity always in life. God bless you and wish you all the success in your life.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Even I liked your motivation so much, ma'am. Like you gave me so much of motivation in biology subject, ma'am. I still cannot forget it. Like jumping from C grade to A star, ma'am. Like it
Namaste,
was a very good
Yash.
experience. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, thank you. Yes, yes.
Namaste, Usha, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
namaste.
ma'am.
Uh, yes. Yeah. Okay. So when I think of Yash in school, and of course he was always hardworking, very sweet boy, always smiling. Okay. So and now I like when I hear you talking, I mean you have really grown up and um, have become lots of clarity there in your thoughts. So all the best to whatever for whatever you are aiming at. Do well. God bless you. And you are really a very like I have always seen you like work hard to whatever you want to achieve. So all the best. I know you will do your best. And God bless you, Yash.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Hello, Yash.
नमस्ते यश.
Namaste,
अच्छा
ma'am.
धनश्री मैम आप बोलिए मैं बात.
हाँ, चला. Namaste, Yash. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. So Yash, I have a lot many things to say about you. It's a big list if I start counting. Yeah, first of all, I remember you were very inquisitive. I remember my science classes. You're the one you used to ask so many questions, and it's really a good quality. It's really a good quality that you should keep on asking questions. I one more thing, when I was listening to you, one thing came to my mind, one incident came to my mind. If you remember, in once in annual day, uh, the, you wanted to play a role of Ashoka, King Ashoka, and like he and it was like there were many competitors for him, like
Yes,
who
yes,
will play
ma'am.
that role. Many students wanted to play that role, and one of them was Yash. And for that, he was so desperate. He was telling me, "Ma'am, I want to play that role," and he was trying a lot. He done so well so that he should get selected for that. This is just an example, and finally he got that role.
Ma'am, I guess it was Maharana Pratap.
So sorry, it was Maharana Pratap. So
Yes, yes,
sorry. Yeah.
yes, yes, I still
Ashoka
remember.
was Pratham. Pratham was
Yes,
Ashoka, right?
Ashoka
Yeah.
was Pratap.
So yeah, Maharana Pratap. And finally you got it. Got.
Yes,
And
so
this
I
is
got it.
what your determination. And you have shown this kind of determination in all the fields.
Yes,
You were like, if you have decided that you want to do this thing and you used to do that thing, that is the best quality in you, Yash.
thank you so much, ma'am.
And today I'm seeing you after so long. I'm so
Yes,
happy that you have grown up so well and so matured. All the best for your
very
future
much, ma'am.
endeavors. All the best. Bye. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, do we have anybody else who would like to speak for Yash?
Cheryl, may I?
Yes, ma'am, sure, please. Yes, ma'am, sure.
After Chamba.
Yes.
No, ma'am, you can continue. I'll speak later. Thank you, Principal, ma'am. Namaste, ma'am. Namaste, Yash.
Namaste, ma'am.
So good to see you that you have turned so maturely, like you have grown. And I completely agree with the words of Smita, ma'am, and Dhanashri, ma'am, that you have taken your journey always in a positive way. Like whatever came into your path, you have just used it to make your pillars, and you have just taken it as a positive way. Still you remember those small things in the class which had just took place in our journey, so that that memories which you cherish, it reminded me so many things. Thank you so much. So
Yes,
stay positive always, the way you are, you were. God bless you, dear.
thank you so much, ma'am.
Principal, ma'am? Ma'am, would you like to speak?
Yes, of course.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
I would say the passion, the energy, the positivity that everybody has spoken about him can very well be seen in his walk itself. I still remember there is always a spring in his walk that's so full of life, so full of energy and enthusiasm. Always there is a smile on his face. I still remember what he mentioned, that he kept applying for the leadership positions for years. And I'm so happy to see that today he acknowledges that that struggle and journey gave him more confidence, made him what he is today. Because this is what his life is all about. Even grown-ups cannot devise or derive so much of wisdom from such experiences that you are telling us at this young age. I feel so proud of you, Yash. I would
Yes, ma'am.
also like to salute the parenting of your parents. Please give my sincere regards to them, my
Sure.
respect to them. And your mother has been our colleague, a great friend, and
Yes.
she has proven to be a great mother to you, a parent to you. I agree with everything that your teachers have said.
Yes.
And I also feel somewhere your connection and your passion for sports has given a lot to your personality. Because, sports always teaches you to enjoy.
Yes, ma'am.
A true sportsman plays because he enjoys doing it. And that brings in a growth mindset, and you treat every circumstance in life with that approach. And that's why you take every struggle, everything that life throws at you with a positive approach. I agree with what Smita ma'am said. You were unaffected, unfazed by what's happening around, what people have to say, how the situations are. You always had a vision in front of you. I could see the passion with which you used to speak about sports to me. I
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
forget that. And when I said that you have set high standards for your juniors to follow into your steps, I really mean it.
Yes.
It was really a pleasure to have you as the school sports captain and somebody who was so passionate. If you have our coaches here, they may not have experienced what you were, how you were, but they'll be very glad to know that there was a boy like you who was so passionate about sports, used to constantly think of ways to involve other children into sports.
Yes, yes.
And I feel very proud of you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so
Looking
much,
forward to
ma'am.
meeting you soon.
Yes.
Principal ma'am,
Yes? Yes, Cheryl? Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
you're audible now.
yes, Cheryl. So, yes, I would just convey my love and blessings to Yash, give all my best wishes. We are so proud to have an RRISCN like you. You're a role model student. So, God bless you.
Thank you.
thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. So, Yash, I hope you had a great conversation with us today, and you have cherished all the school memories, and we are so happy for you that you have grown into such a confident student of RRIS. We are proud of you. All the best to you, and may you have all the success in all your future endeavors. God
Yes, ma'am.
bless you, Yash.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. So I officially would like to end this conversation. Have a great evening, everyone. Thank you.
Well done, Cheryl. It was a
Yes, ma'am.
beautiful
Thank you,
show,
ma'am.
and the tempo, the momentum that you maintained throughout the show, commendable. It was
Th-
very lively.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, thanks to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
Congratulations
so
to
much.
you. Thanks to
Thank you,
Yash
ma'am. Thank you.
for being
Yes,
so
Thanks,
ma'am.
Yash.
mature and open.
Yes, ma'am.
It was a beautiful show. I want to ask Yash, do you still play or not? Because I cannot imagine you without sports.
Ma'am, actually,
True.
there's a big break in between. So, yes, I do not play.
Oh,
I just go out and have a walk. That's it. Like skating, I
yes.
don't do now.
You have to
Like,
promise to me today that you will not leave sports.
yes, ma'am, I won't leave, but yes, I will start soon. When I get my admission, like I'll start again. Even while studying, like I should have a balance. So yes, I
Yes.
will definitely start.
Great. My wishes are with you. God bless
Thank
you.
you so much.
All the best to you, Yash. Thank
All the
you.
best, Yash.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Take
Smita,
care.
ma'am.
Proud of you, dear. All the best.
Say hello
Yes,
to Miss Banu and also your
Yes.
father. All right.
yes,
Thank
Yeah,
you.
regards
Take
to
care.
them.
God bless. Bye
thank you.
bye.
Congratulations, Cheryl ma'am. Excellent
Thank you,
hosting.
ma'am.
Thank
Congratulations.
you,
Thank you,
Ashok
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Pooja, ma'am.